Hey everyone, welcome here. Today we are going to learning and understanding and knowing top 5 future technologies to learn and understand which technology is having more potential and more future with industry relevant. We are going to discussing for software developers to increase why we should concentrate and learn future technologies to increase productivity, to increase making a smart way of completing complex task easiest way. So how we can justify these technologies for future scope and future career, and also how to ensure that which technology I'm going to learn and which technology how I can choose my own path. Let's see, I'll give you like a top 5 future technologies now. The first one, artificial intelligence and machine learning. So artificial intelligence, as you know that the machine is going to be taking in a decision and creating a problem solving techniques and solutions for us. In this area, having a vast scope opportunities. So you have to try in a look into that artificial intelligence as well as the machine learning concepts greatly. The next one, blockchain development, where end-to-end contracts, where end-to-end transactions, financial sector, healthcare sector are making and vastly developing this blockchain technologies. So blockchain developer, blockchain administrator, where blockchain are going to be involving rich sectors. Yes, you can define your own way in blockchain technologies to learn and apply your skill level. The next one, cloud native development. So cloud native development, which is like a serverless or microservices, where a small apps are most popular nowadays with server or without server. So these microservices are like a small apps without server. These all are going to be running in a cloud native environment. So this is also like a vast potential is there for such type of apps where implementing microservices. So cloud or cloud native or cloud based, where the applications are going to be developing or involving, you have to focus on such technologies to learn. And the next one, quantum computing. This computing is like a future frontline. In the previously we have seen like a complex problem solutions are giving quantum computing and hardware, and having a facility like a huge large data sets and large complex type problems are going to be solving quantum computing environments. And this scenario is also continuing the and growing the future career. The next one, edge computing and internet of things. So edge computing, as you know that very clearly, who can distribute applications easily and developing and distributing the applications. At the same time, internet of things, where home automations and agriculture automations, industry automations, where these automations are involved in our real life. So using these IoT devices, we can easily build and develop and deploy applications greatly. So this is also a technology where expanding their potential in this area. So not only this, and future AR, VR, virtual reality, augmentation reality, and visualizations. So these all are also having great potential. So ensure which career path you want to choose and which way of life you want to create your own path. By learning these technologies is really help you greatly. If you feel this video lecture you learned something, please do subscribe for more video lectures. Thank you.